Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, about 5 years ago, I recorded a video and called it Trash to Crafty Treasure. And at the time, I wanted to purchase a BowMaker. And I did purchase one, but it wasn't like this one. It was kind of hard because you had to use one hand to try to do it. But anyway, in that video I had found some foam and I just took it and cut it and made a BowMaker. So I'm gonna show you, this is kind of sort of the same thing, just a different piece of foam. So what I did, this is a piece of foam from off my daughter's, out of the package that my daughter's laptop came in. So what I did was I just cut these two big blocks off on the end and just cut here and here and here and here, and I got these two pieces like this, and all I did was hot glued them together as best I could, because the hot glue kind of melt this a little bit, but it's there and it's stuck. So after that, I put these blue dots. These blue dots represent an inch. Let me see if I can get down a little bit further. I don't want to get too in your face, but these are an inch. And I took this, what is a screwdriver, and I just did this just to try to put a little hole in here, like so. So if you want to make a 1-inch bowl, 2-inch bowl, however many inches you want, this device should do it. That one already has a hole. That's the one I tried first to make sure I could do it. Okay. And then I have my pens. In the other video, I had pencils. So I just got these pens. Let's see. Put one there. And put one here. Just so it'll be big enough so you guys can see. Alright, so let me get the ribbon and I'm going to reposition the camera so you can see. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to try to do this in one foul swoop. I'm going to do a 2-inch bowl. I'm going to put these in like so. And I found some seam binding. I think this is seam binding or just some crinkly ribbon. And so just put some in your hand like so. Hold it here. Take this around both of them. Make sure you got it straight. Okay, take this one under, bring it on top, like that. And you got this one here and this one that you initially started with. Swap hands. Tie this. Okay, and pull. And adjust the bow, or just the center where you need it. There we go. And let's take this out. I don't want to pull on this thing because I can pull the pins apart. There we go. I'm going to pull these out. And there you have it. Your perfect bow. And guess what? If you pull the ends, it doesn't come apart. Okay guys, here's your completed bow. I'm not even cutting these at an angle and all that stuff, because you guys know how to do that. Come on, thumb. And there it is. Perfect for whatever project you want. And again, you can pull these two tails and it does not come apart. And I saw this bow tying tutorial from Kathy Rigby, and it's been years ago. What I will do is I will put her link below this video so you can go and watch her, because she does about 3 different ones. I just want to show you guys that real quick. On a bow, if you want a BowMaker, you don't have to buy one. Make your own. Foam, pens, and you're good. Or whatever you want to use. Some are made with wood, anything, whatever, however you want to do it, it works. Okay. Guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs.